Left-hand side up the hill, you have to see a black rhino up there today, peeking on down, honey munching. Now black rhinos do weigh around 3,000 to 4,000 pounds with 35 miles per hour. Just hit really distinct point left on the twilight basis. Here's you watch. So your baby got about left-hand side right in front of mama out there. It's a year and a half old, born in summer of 2021. Very, very cute. Hunters in the savannah have a 90% success rate about finding their prey to absolute exhaustion by holding some of the brown body antelopes with long curvy horns called the sable antelope. Here on the reserve, you see a silhouette about you looking at say, has big for March, but careful, but she's I would never know how many might find. There's another collie cow there on the left hand side. Some springboks up ahead and the right, so hanging out mostly across the road. There's one on the center though. That's gonna actually get their name. There he is on the right hand side. Those powers eels grow up to 2,000 pounds, so have a 60 at the shoulder. They also have twisty horns on top of their heads. The males secrete flower content of vegetation during mating season. But 12,500 pounds. Looks like a trunk around his nose is actually, well, not his one in light drink. Not eating certain types of foods like shrimp, have a high beta carotene content. All of that pink color around 2 years of age. The weigh-rounds do weigh around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds with 35 miles per hour. These are called white rhinos, that's not because the natural color of the bodies. There's some cheetahs out there today. So I know some cheetahs like to hang on this territory out on the left. I don't see anything right now, but we'll walk it around just in case. If not, oh, okay, there you go. Yeah, all in the back left is blocked by a few seconds. Look behind the first two of the trees here on the left. Look at the bottom of the dirt hill, right to the grass hill. Now lions are nocturnal creatures. They do sleep around 16 to 20 hours each day. At night, there's the females who are hunting, while the males stay behind, watch over the cubs. Very sweet goat milk. We made into goat cheese. That one right in the edge on standing is my favorite. They actually are fantastic for the environment. They love to eat all vegetation, the other animal stuff. There's the fighting or play fighting, which shows dominance over each other. That also helps aid their journey.
specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are some of the very same animals that inspired animated classics like The Lion King, The Jungle Book, and more. To bring live animals into the studio, in the 1940s, Walt Disney and his animators modeled characters from the film after the movements and natural behaviors of their real-life counterparts. Even with the latest advances in computer animation. Into the park today, or make your way back to wherever you call home. Remember that legacy.
16 feet in length. That's about as long as a giraffe can be tall. They wake up, they greet each and every pack member before getting started with their day. So it makes sense, they're great teammates and they're great hunters. They're sable antelope whose horns arch on backwards to protect their backsides from any predators who attack from behind. But you're probably noticing the wildebeest first. They're a bit easier to spot right now. The gray antelope on our left. They are a migratory species traveling in herds up to 1.5 million. So, honey, I'm right here. Please don't. What are you doing? Perfect. Okay. Wow. Hi. To us on our left-hand side. Again, a group of giraffe called a tower. Up, and she kind of blends in well, but you can see with the sun there, she's glowing, quite literally. She just reached speeds up to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. They maintain that speed for a few hundred yards using their tail like a rudder on a boat to help them change direction quickly. And their claws are non-retractable, so it's like built-in cleats 24/7. Now, a group of cheetahs is called a coalition, but on the reserve there's only females, so we call them cheetah girls. And if, what girl, you're very curious. What's going on here? Okay, so these are 4-0 alone, super impressive. White rhinos, they are caked in mud from the mud wallow we saw earlier. If you can, look at those ears. They don't have that good of eyesight, so the ears on rhinos' heads flick back and forth, kind of like satellite dishes, to help them keep track of their surroundings. Youngsters, though.
How you doing? Don't worry, you're all funny demoted here to show and to live. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing? Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the
Oh boy, this is gonna be good, I can tell.